Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. So these are for your daily energy, Scorpios. For your love energy, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can click on the timestamp, skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, guys. Watch that pile, whichever you want to watch. So with these cards, Scorpios, the energy for y'all is that today you may be seeing the truth in certain situation, guys. Maybe certain people are revealing truth about something, or this person is revealing the truth about what they feel about this connection, or in your work, maybe regarding some projects or regarding some what to say, some important decision. You are seeing the truth, and some kind of celebration and happiness is there today. Maybe after knowing the truth, maybe you were worried about something, you did not had that clarity in some situation, and today, as you know the real truth behind that situation, you feel happy that you are able to understand that situation in a better light, and you are celebrating it, feeling happy for that knowledge. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may be planning to travel, guys. Maybe planning a trip somewhere out of your country, or it may be a trip somewhere away, a holiday trip. So that plan, maybe it may be with your person, or it may be you are just taking a relaxing trip alone. That is what I see. And also for some of you Scorpios, I see here that you are having that possibility of great prosperity and abundance in your life, the promise of wealth and well-being, and whatever efforts that you made, you are reaping that rewards, guys, that lucrative rewards, and you are happy for it. That is what I see. So overall, I see here, guys, you are getting clarity in some situation, and you are happy for it. That is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your daily energy. For your love reading, you can choose the pile and skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So we'll be picking 5 cards for your love reading. So let's start with the first deck. We will keep this card. Let's see what is coming up for y'all, guys. So this reading will resonate for all signs, guys, for your love energy. So let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking cards in random, guys. King of Pentacles, King of Swords, Two of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and 9 of Wands. So with these cards, guys, the energy for your love reading, for what you feel about this connection, or what your person feels about this connection. So you are a person of many talents, and your person sees you as a very skilled and talented person, and you are able to deal with any situation efficiently. So they have that great attraction towards you, guys. They have high regards for you and respect for you for how you deal with your situation. And you are a person who is ready for them, always ready to face anything that is coming up. So you are always there for them, and they see you as their strength and a person of great strength and courage. So they rely on you, or you rely on this person. You see that person as your source of strength and trust. You feel that you can rely on them whatever the situation is. And maybe for some of you, you may be even taking suggestions from them, what you need to do in your situation, guys. That is also the energy here. And though certain situations, certain things are happening in your situations that may be quite stressful. Maybe you have some minor misunderstandings, some quarrels, but still you share a great understanding that compatibility is there in this relationship, and you understand each other's strengths and weaknesses. So you share a great understanding with this person. That is also what I see here, guys. That compatibility is there whatever the situation is. Maybe some some minor arguments may be there in any relationship, guys. We are bound to argue. At some point we will not be able to agree what that other person is saying. So minor quarrels and some fights will be there in any relationship, but apart from all that, you share a great understanding with this person, and you know their strength, you know their weakness, and you know that you can rely on this person. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be spending time with them, taking rest, maybe taking your day off, and you're spending time with them, guys. That is also the energy here, guys. So let us see what is coming with the other cards. So we will keep these cards aside. So for the second deck, I'll be giving the timestamp in the description, guys. So if you want to watch this pile, you can click on the timestamp, guys. So we are starting the reading for the second pile. Heart, garden, mice, birds, stock. Some positive and some negative cards are here, guys, again. So with these cards, the energy is that in this relationship you share that you share that team spirit. You share a great understanding with this person, and you may be getting some good news. Maybe this person is coming with some important announcements, some plans for your future together, guys, or some kind of improvements in your relationship. Maybe you want to move forward with that deep commitment, maybe engagement or marriage. You're planning for engagement or marriage, or you're planning to start a family. So that is also what I see here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is using you, maybe using your time, energy, or using you in a financial way, guys. And you may feel that you are losing your time and energy because of them, or your health, or some kind of in some situations even your peace of mind, maybe because of how things are in your what to say, in your situation. Maybe this person maybe taking your counsel, or maybe trying to use you in some ways, maybe because you are better off than them. So that may be the energy. And also for some of you, you may be taking counsel from your friends or family regarding this connection. You want to speak openly to your close friends or your siblings, someone who will give you that proper guidance. And also guys, a few of you feel burdened in this relationship. Maybe you are the person responsible, you are making some important decisions for this connection, so you feel responsible in some ways. That is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you, you want to spend time with them. You are going out to a party, having dinner, or some kind of activity together. That is also the energy here guys. So there is compassion and affection and love, but in some ways you may feel this person is using you, or making use of you financially, or making use of your knowledge in some way. And that is what I see with these cards guys for your love reading. Thank you for watching this video guys. That is the reading with these cards. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.